Hello everyone, welcome back to the series, French for Beginners. Today is lesson 17, Occupations in French. Let's get started. Student is étudiant or étudiante for masculine or feminine. Lawyer is avocat or avocate, is for masculine or feminine. For waiter or waitress is serveur or serveuse. For teacher is either professeur or professeur. For postman is facteur or factrice. For doctor is médecin. For other professions is also divided into masculine or feminine. For example, singer is chanteur for masculine, chanteuse for feminine. For nurse, masculine is infirmier and feminine is infirmière. For engineer, masculine is ingénieur and feminine is ingénieur. For police is policier and feminine is policier. When we talk about other people's profession, we don't use any articles in front of it. For example, je suis étudiant. I'm a student. Note that in English there is an article a, and in French there isn't any article in front of étudiant. Same as tu es avocat. You are a lawyer. Il est infirmier. He is a nurse. Elle est policière. She is a police officer. That's all for this lesson. Thank you for watching.